In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tracking code Kakobuy. If you've shipped or consolidated items through Kakobuy and you're looking for the tracking details, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them and what each field means so you can follow your parcel with confidence. Start by heading to the Kakobuy website. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the profile icon at the very top of the screen. Hovering over this icon opens a quick menu. From that menu, select Warehouse. This is where Kakobuy stores your incoming parcels and shipment records before and after they're sent out, so it's the right place to pull tracking information. Inside the warehouse or storage page, locate the item you want to track. Each entry will have actions next to it. Click Express Info beside the specific item. This opens a detailed panel that contains all the shipping identifiers tied to that parcel. Here you'll see the parcel ID, which is Kakobuy's internal reference for the package. Just below that, look for the express number. This is the key tracking code used by the shipping carrier. You can copy it and paste it into the carrier's website or a universal tracking tool to follow the shipment's progress. You'll also see the weight, listed in grams, which reflects the actual mass of the parcel. Right next to it is the volume, measured in cubic centimeters. Volume matters because some carriers calculate a dimensional or volumetric weight. If your package is light but bulky, this number can influence shipping charges and estimated delivery times. After reviewing the details, click Confirm to close the panel and save any on-page state. If the express number hasn't appeared yet, give it a little time. Tracking often activates shortly after the parcel leaves the warehouse. When you do see it, consider copying both the parcel ID and express number for your records. That's all you need to reliably retrieve and use your Kakobuy tracking code.